Welcome to my channel. Tech Deal. Today I am presenting you your dream Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera. Canon's EOS Rebel series has long been a favorite of those who want an affordable but capable DSLR. The T7 continues to deliver good image quality for a camera in its class. Under well-lit conditions, the camera consistently produced pleasing results, almost guaranteeing success straight out of the box. Like the T6, the new EOS Rebel T7 is one of the smaller DSLRs on the market. It weighs 1.75 pounds, with the battery and SD card, and measures 5.1 by 3.9 by 3.1 inches. The grip is wrapped in textured rubber for a solid and comfortable handhold. The T7's body is otherwise mostly plastic, but the modest build quality is not surprising given the camera's price. The combination of price, features, and image quality make the Canon EOS Rebel T7 a solid option for both DSLR newcomers and more experienced users on a budget. Although it doesn't have all the bells and whistles of some of the more expensive models, like a touch screen and an articulated LCD, the T7 offers basic and advanced features, so you can choose between easy operation or control over your picture taking. If you download Canon's Camera Connect app for iOS and Android, you can transfer images from the camera to your mobile device. You can also use the app to shoot remotely with the T7, and although you can't change all the settings, you do have the option to adjust parameters such as ISO, exposure compensation, and white balance. Canon EOS T7 offers Wi-Fi, NFC, and Bluetooth, whereas the Nikon D3400 uses a slower, Bluetooth connection. And Canon's Camera Connect app is much easier to use and more sophisticated than the Nikon D3400 Snap Bridge app. If you plan to regularly transfer images from your camera to your mobile device, the Canon T7 has a definite edge. Either way, you'll end up with an affordable, capable camera. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Best deal only on Tech Deal.